shit.
Get in. Ready, Sam?
No.
Ready?
He's gonna like break his back.
Start running, okay?
Okay.
Go!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my God.
That would have been him.
That, yeah.
Is that okay? Sam, I'll ride down with you.
Yeah, I know.
You can't pick it up.
You're warm.
He's warm.
Emily, you want to record?
Why?
I don't feel like it.
It's still recording.
God damn you.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be a roly-poly.
What?
Why not? God damn it. It's like it's a fucking roly-poly. Shut up.
What is he doing?
Fucking shopping cart.
Sam, don't yell.
Oh my God, it's as hell.
Maybe hell mine.
Don't make it go down. I feel so sorry.
Alright, drop.
Don't swear really loud, because I had it paused.
I'm holding on to the
Give
side.
us smells like mist and shit.
Get the hell in.
That was random.
Sam, like, get your whole body in, dude, because I'm holding on to the side.
Shit.
You don't believe me?
No, not really until you let go.
Sam, fucking put your
Just
body
go!
on the side.
Why don't you sit on it like a freaking go-kart?
Oh
Like,
yeah.
Put your legs under there and hang on to the side and then go down.
He's gonna break his legs.
Last time I let you.
This was your idea and you're not even getting in it.
Yeah, true.
Alright, ready?
Current, it's current.
Okay, ready?
Go!
Sam, just stand on it.
Lola, start pushing it. No, Sam.
Alright, get on.
Oh my God, he looked like he was humping it.